Problem 4. If the sales tax rate is 7.25% in California, then how much would you pay in Los Angeles for a coat that costs $120? We need to think about what we're talking about here. In this case, we're talking about tax. Think about it. Is tax something that's going to decrease the price or increase the price? If you said increase the price, you would be correct. You're paying even more on top of the price that's listed, you're paying to the government. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our 7.25% and we're going to remove the percent symbol. I need a little bit more room there. Then we're going to move the decimal 2 times to the left, which is the same as dividing by 100. And we're going to realize that 0.0725 is the same as 7.25%. Remember, the percent is always of something. It's always multiplied by something. So we need to think about what it's being multiplied by. It's 7.25% of what? It's 7.25% of the $120, which is the price of the coat. So take your calculator, type in 0.0725 and multiply that by $120. And I got $8.70. And I'm going to label that as the tax. And then I'm going to reread the question. If the sales tax rate is 7.25% in California, then how much would you pay in LA for a coat that costs $120? Would I pay $8.70 for a coat that costs $120? No, that's just the sales tax. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to take that tax and I'm going to need to add the original price of the coat. So I'm not only going to have to pay the sales tax, I'm also going to have to pay the $120. So $120 plus $8.70. I should actually show that with the decimals lined up. When you're adding or subtracting, you line up those decimals. And we get a total of $128.70. And I'm going to circle this as my final answer because they asked me how much I would pay in total for the coat. $128.70.